You asked, we heard, and we are bringing it to you hot. Now, this is one of the most affordable properties you can find on this channel. With about 18 million naira, you can secure for yourself a bungalow. Now, if you're a civil servant, or you work a 9 to 5, or you have businesses and you would want to get something that will act as a cash flow for you, this is that place. Now, this particular location is home to civil servants. Whether or not you stay in Nigeria, this property is that property that you should consider if you want constant cash flow. Because like I said, this location houses a lot of civil servants. So the rental demand for this location is very high. Now, your 9 to 5 job may not be able to pay 18 million naira at a go. This is where the mortgage comes in. Yes, you heard me right. In Nigeria, I know getting mortgage for property is very hard, almost impossible. Well, you can get this property on mortgage. In this estate, there are fully detached bungalows, semi-detached bungalows, and terrace bungalows. This is one estate that is not just talk without action. There are paved roads already, there are drainages, there is light, security, and street lamps. So if you want to key into this estate, contact the number showing on your screen and we can schedule an inspection right now.